Look at this beautiful view. Amazing classic view. And that is Ralph over there. Just trying to get some shots. And I don't think we will be reaching Narkunda by 11. Look at this place. Wow, so nice and beautiful. Everywhere greenery and greenery only. Aha. Mast. Himachal is full of nature and beauty. And really, if you want to roam Himachal, you need at least 15 days minimum to roam this place, to enjoy this place. And it's a seasonal thing, so you need to choose correctly when you want to really enjoy. If you are a lover of winter, then you can come in during the snow, but then that time most of the places will have roadblocks. But other time like this time in June, May, June, I think it's a good time to come. Look at the lush green mountains, the pine trees and the Christmas trees. There are so many Christmas trees over here. Now the roads over here are little bad. It's like an off-roading over here a bit, because this side, this part of the road, they have not yet started reconstructing or rebuilding these roads. So that's why the roads are little cracked over here, potholes, and little bad over here you can see. And mostly this is because sometimes there's a landslide over here and this get cracked. If you can see the stones over here, this is a rock mountains, so it might be sliding down and breaking. But here it seems they are trying to make the road, so this is hey, put the glass up, glass up, glass up, glass up. So you can see the construction works are going on. So probably this road will be good in the next 5 to 6 months. And the HP driver over here, the bus drivers are very rash. Probably they think they know these roads by the back of the hand, so they are very rash. So you all have to be very careful while you all drive here. But it's really an experience to drive here. Ralph, you can drive now in these roads.
You drive. Ghat and all is there. Don't take it.
such a road है
Then Ralph he can drive. Then only he can understand to control.
तब तक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है
Sanapa, you want to drive?
All of a sudden लेके आ रहे हैं ना, तो वो वही बोल रहा है सडनली नहीं होगा.
Acha. But you have to overcome your fear, na beta. See Sanchit now, he overcame his fear now.
घाट आफ्टर सर्विस पुट द मास्क
ट्राई करना तब
पुट द मास्क
साथ में चलने वाला को
Hey, wow, green color का military. This
ये
is
स्पेशली बनती है
this is 4x4 see safari. Yeah, so nice. That is strong, but so nice. See.
ये प्रोडक्शन सिर्फ मिलिट्री के लिए होता है
But when they sell this vehicle ना, we should take like this vehicle. अरे दिल्ली में तुम्हारा वो जो कैंट है ना, दिल्ली कैंट, वहाँ पे सेल होता है. After every 7 years they sell this vehicle.
You should take non-model.
I know.
Window down.
Oh yes. Now we can put the window down. And there are so many apple orchards over here. Just I'll turn this camera of mine and you can see
सीधा बाजू में मीटर
so much apple orchards.
All it is kacha. What you want to eat? I didn't say want to eat. I only want to see.
They won't let you go inside. Personally.
You want to see?
Private land and all. Not government.
See here, there are so many apple on top. See Jenny, so much apple orchard. See there.
Small piece of apples.
Yeah.
They are also not that big piece of apple.
That Kashmiri apple is different. This is Himachali apple. It's a bit small, but it is very tasty. Look at that apple orchard over there. My God.
What happened?
See all these things are
So much to I
See, you all are shooting.
she is taking.
Okay, wow.
China is the blur.
Apple
Peaches. Apple peaches.
peaches are very cute.
Go blur.
एक और ये ट्रक वाले लोग ये नेचर डिस्ट्रॉय करता है पूरा. डीजल इतना पोल्यूटेड डीजल यूज करता है ना ये लोग मिक्सिंग करके. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल सीनिक प्लेस. क्या बात है यार, कसम. वाओ, जबरदस्त.
Driving to is much more amazing.
व्हाट अ प्लेस यार, एकदम. You want to wait and remove photo?
I will take that GoPro maybe.
GoPro का one video.
So I'll stop here.
What?
पता है. Open.
शूट रहना
I want to take a picture.
As you can see, this place so beautiful it is, and now my children have gone down to take photos and do some videography over there with their GoPro also, and remove some shots. And my wiper always tell me now. I don't know what she wants now, but anyway, as you can see this view from my mobile, which I'm clicking, and look at this beautiful view, amazing classic view. And that is Ralph over there, he's trying to get some shots, and I don't think we will be reaching Narkunda by 11 o'clock also. So you can see we have been experiencing such wonderful views on way to Narkunda from Kufri, and this is so mesmerizing, this place, that it makes me stop my vehicle and take photos and videography everywhere. Himachal is such a beautiful place, and I would recommend all of you all to surely do visit this place with your family and enjoy this scenic place, because this is once in a lifetime. You'll have to come over here and you have to enjoy this place. It's awesome, just awesome. Look at those sands. Those sands are shining. It has so much minerals and zinc in it, and this state is full of rich of minerals. हाँ बेटा.
वेरी नाइस. किधर मिला वो फ्लावर?
गाड़ी के जस्ट बाजू में. बहुत छोटे.
डिव्हिजन कमिशनर आहे तो, त्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये. हाँ, सौरभ राव.
क्या करना है उसका आपको?
वेलकम. This girl got no face on them. I did this videos. See who are now. Oh Lord Jesus. Everything she wants to copy whatever I will do.
Who is that?
She's an and who. I did that bakery ka page. She started that behind me. I did that course. She did that course. I went for dance. She went for dance. I went for that YouTube video ka shooting. She also went for that YouTube video. With whom she is doing that? God knows.
One boy is there. She is friendly to that boy.
She's friendly with all the boys. With her own uncle she was friendly.
So what?
So what? They had a relationship.
No, nothing like that. Keep quiet. Don't bloody make things up if you all don't know.
They're not बारिश.
Mommy also told us. Daniel's wife also stayed. I think you have done first and then finish.
ये सब मेरे को वॉइस ओवर करना पड़ेगा. But here, Ralph, if we come by bike, na? If we come by bike, but they'll not allow us to put up tent over here anywhere.
Why?
I don't think they'll allow us to put tent.
Go inside, go in the trekking bazaar, you can put tent.
Acha. But most of the hills also, if you see, is owned by somebody or somebody.
ना अंदर जाके थोड़ी ना समझ डोंट वरी ऐसे माउंटेन ट्रेकिंग केलेलं आय कॅन फाईंड जगह
That was very close because नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी.
लोकल गाड्या
That's the military van. And really this place is awesome. Just awesome. क्या जगह है यार, क्लासिक जगह. From here you want to take photo of this valley? That's it, that mountain. क्या जगह है यार संचित भाई, मस्त है ना. तुम लोग जब आए थे तभी तुम लोग कौन सा वक्त मतलब कौन से महीने में आए थे? ऐसे जून में.
वो टाइम पे इतनी ठंडक नहीं थी
रास्ते पे
हाँ
जून में आए थे हम. और हम तो वही फागू तक ही आए थे, फागू के ऊपर नहीं आए.
अच्छा, इसके फागू के आगे तुम लोग नहीं आए थे? तो तू तो बोला था ना इधर आए थे तुम लोग अपना नारकंडा वगैरह. अच्छा,
फागू तक आए थे.
so this is Sanchit's first trip by road to beyond Fagu. And we all are trying. Already Rachel has already been to this place, but I think we all rest of us are coming for the first time. My vehicle is giving me some problem of pickup because I think because of the diesel fuel pump has a slight leakage, and because it catches air in between, that's the reason I'm unable to race my car or take my car or pick up my car as I want it. But anyway, it is still supporting us. This is a restaurant.
Yeah, great, na? Is it a restaurant? No, it's not. No.
मेडिकल एसी फ्रंट वाला.
Oh, is this a cow or a yak? Oh, it's a cow. It's a cow. Sahkari Bank. Snoopy.
Cacao.
Here there is.
Now that you want to not get.
Hey, here there is a Hilltop Resort.
होटल. Go in the hotel.
रहने वाला होटल.
बाकी यही भी है.
So it's locked. It's locked. It's closed.
Hilltop Resort ठीक है. Oh shit.
So you can go there and make susuji.
This is Razik's voice. Razik.
Razik Mujawar. Juan's wife. His wife only.
Who is Juan's?
Juan's that dad, yeah.
Gilbert Uncle son.
His friend, that is, this fellow.
His
Friend
friend.
Razik Mujawar.
Very nice.